Hello and welcome to another update video about HBAR. On the HBAR chart, the market is still, or the price is still consolidating just below the 11.3 cent level here. Basically the 11 cent level, 11.3 cents. It's the 100% extension level of the initial A wave to the upside here. And basically what we do, we take the length of that A wave, then we measure, compare against the low of the B wave, and that gives us a target for a C wave. So the white wave count, as you might remember from the last video, suggests an A, B, C structure. A, B, C. And the C wave is a 5-wave move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that would be one wave count that I'm observing here. This would only be the larger A wave, however, of a larger correction. Okay, so that is one scenario I'm watching, which is bullish, at least short term. Okay, I mean, I'm saying so short term, but at some point here, at any time really, we could get a pullback in a B wave now, because the upside is technically complete. First of all, the C wave is a 5-wave pattern, and the A wave and the C wave, they basically have the same length. So that means we have to expect this pullback at any point now, which would be a so-called B wave pullback, and then another C wave rally could happen. However, at this point, there is absolutely no evidence of this pullback, and a pullback like that in wave B, in the white scenario, will become far less likely if the price can break above 16.8 cents. That's a break above the 1.38 Fibonacci extension. It's usually the C wave would, I mean, I'm not saying, you know, never, but usually a C wave doesn't extend beyond the 1.38 extension of the A wave, and therefore I'm saying that at that point it becomes less likely that it's the white count. But even the white count wouldn't be a disaster. It would simply mean that maybe this initial A wave won't stretch beyond 16.8 cents. Then we get a B wave pullback. Then we can calculate the target for the next C wave up. We might land at 32 cents, maybe even 61 cents, okay? But more bullish and more ideal would be the yellow wave count. In the yellow count, we're tracking a potential 5-wave move to the upside. In the short term, they are very difficult to distinguish, the white and the yellow counts, but in the yellow count, in which we are dealing with a leading diagonal in circle wave 1, we are dealing with a wave 1, a wave 2. Basically now we are in a third wave. Minimum target for a third wave would be 14.4 cent level, but the way the subwaves are looking, we should get higher. So I'm looking at the first ideal target at 16.8 cents. That's the first ideal target, the 1.38 extension. Possibly even higher, like the 1.618 extension level in this move to the upside would not be unusual, because these subdivisions look different. In the yellow count, this was ABC in wave A. Oops, what did I do? 1 second. Didn't want to move anything. Here, ABC. Oh, 1 second. I think I need to refresh. Okay, not sure what happened there, so I just refreshed. Yeah, the subdivisions are a bit different. So this would be ABC in wave A, then the B wave, and this all could be a C wave. And if it's a C wave, it could be an impulse. So yeah, I wouldn't rule out the 21 cent level. Main support level is this last swing low here at 6.8 cents. Yeah, this would be ideal. And yeah, against that level, the focus can be on higher, so this level needs to hold. And then I gave you already the next upside targets. Yellow count, as I said, should minimally get to 14.4 cents, but better higher. So ideally 16.8 or 21.6 cents. Can always go a bit higher, but that's sort of what I'd like to see to trust it. And then a 4th wave pullback still, and a 5th wave. And as we go higher, we probably can put something like a trend channel onto the chart, because this seems like a diagonal. So we can put like a parallel trend channel onto the chart. It's a bit too early for that. So don't want to play around with that, but it depends on I can only do that once the third wave has topped, and that trend channel could then give me a target or at least support, additional support for that yellow fourth wave pullback. And then a fifth wave should still happen. Zooming out quickly here reveals basically that, yeah, I mean, initially we had this wave 1 to the upside, explained that in previous videos, wave 2 to the downside, and this could now be the next 1-2 setup before a third wave rally unfolds. That's my update about HBAR. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.